Okay, let's open battery charger for the car. This is Genius 10. This is the best of the best, I mean more power. The new smell. Excellent boxing. Very premium quality. Okay, let's see how it does the charger of Noco Genius 10. This is the new generation and more power, I mean top line. If the green light gets solid, it means fully charged, but still charging. But it's very quick. I mean about 10-15 minutes ago I put it, it was on red, but now get green. Okay, let's see. Just I put to the charger. If you have Jaguar F-type, usually the positive this, and this is the negative, okay? And the battery in the back. Yes, this is the charger. I like it, but just a little bit pricey. But I hope you enjoy my video and have a great day.